Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardina, and today I'm going to show you the digital kit that I'm going to use for Studio 28E for my design team project, and the kit is called Retro Cookbook. So head on over to the Etsy shop. The Etsy shop is also called Studio 28E, and take a look around. Sherry Smear is the owner of the shop, and let me show you this kit. I've been wanting to do a cookbook for a while, and I think this is an awesome kit. So on this you have notes where you can write some recipes. It says kitchens are made for bringing families together. I have a lady here with the stove cooking and looking at a cookbook. You can write recipes on it. It's lined paper. On the back, have an apple here with a recipe on it. This has a recipe on it for seafoam, egg beater, and cake pan here. Here it says measuring. Here it says baking. You can write a recipe here, like you can write over top of it. If you didn't want to do that, you can write like your ingredients here and then write your directions here. Have some old Jello ads at the top here. And then on the back it says notes with a pancake breakfast here at the bottom, and you can also, it has lines here for you to write a recipe here. It says what's cooking good looking with notes here. It has lines here for you to write recipe or notes here. And here's another one. It says sweet treats. Blueberry nut bread, Jello sunshine salad, and here is taffy. Recipes loved but lost. So there's that. Vinegar pie. I've never heard of that. Here we have fresh baked pie and hot bread with strawberries in the background that you can write recipes on both sides there. Here we have what's for dinner with this lady cooking, trying to look at her recipe book. And over here you have lines to write a recipe on with a Thanksgiving meal. Here is what it looks like, because you have your turkey and all of the sides and everything that goes with it. Look at this old retro clock. That's cool. Here you have rolling pin and measuring spoons with the sifter that says flour. Have orange marmalade, grape jam, and it's all lined paper for you to write your recipes on. And here we have some recipes. This is Scandinavian salad. This is strawberry salad. Have some bananas, green beans, strawberries, Wesson oil, cherries, some little teapots here. It's a cute little page. On the back, you have like some food, like that's just barely there, but you can still see it and you can write over it. And you have room to write recipes with lined paper. Here you have a lady wearing a dress that's shaped like a pie, and it says pie at the top. Looks like cherry pie, or maybe strawberry pie, I'm not for sure. Then on the back you have a slotted spoon with a, I can't think of what this is called. Y'all know what this is called. I can't think of the name of it now. I have a lady here. Looks like she's making a bunch of pies here, because she's got 4 laid out here with her baker's hat on, her apron, her cookbook laid out here. Excuse me. Here we have homemade pie, homemade bread, and you could write some notes here, maybe even write a small recipe at the top here. And here we have cannon tomatoes, Scotch chocolate cake. Chocolate pie looks so good. I love chocolate pie. So good. And here it's like a trifold. It is things to do, notes, and shopping list. And it has like stackable teacups on it. And you can print this off multiple times to put in your book. Here's the ephemera. We have homemade, like the bread that you would get, a Jello ad, heavy cream. This is berry stir cream, cupcakes, tomatoes. The bag, fold down center, glue bottom and sides. Have some strawberries, a pie, some bread. This says, good. I haven't heard that in a long time. Alright, and this looks like a guest check from the bottom of it. It says made just for you on the bread. Have fried chicken, desserts, delicious, spices, eat, pasta, snacks. Here are some jars. Looks like little tag booklets. Excuse me. Here we have canned apple pie filling. We have a recipe here. Potatoes, vegetables, soup, stew, rolls, stove, chocolate. We have a covered dish here. Bacon, fudge, nuts, raisins, yeast, pudding, lip smacking good, casseroles, pot roast, gravy, sauce, ice cream, pancakes and waffles. An ice ad, an ad for ice. John Peters, first with service. All our ice cut at our plant for your protection, saves you money. 300 pounds machine scored ice. Full accurate weight. And here we have this this has a lot of recipes on it here. This looks like an old ad. Swifting Shortening by Martha Logan. Cranberry orange pudding, spiced orange sauce, Christmas pudding cake, mincemeat pudding, Louisa's pumpkin pudding, and creamy sauce. Have a belly band here. Can she bake a cherry pie, sweet stuff, and rolling in the dough tag here. And here we have a pocket with some eggs on it. Little envelope with some pots and pans on it. We have some ads here. Quick cookie notes. Delicious oatmeal in 2 to 3 minutes. Del Monte. Canned fruits, vegetables, and food specialties. The can that makes summer last all year long. Baker's Cocoa, batter, mixer, pans, cooking, baking, broiling, cook, broil, grill, bake, cake, whip, yum, sweet, nuts, and milk. So that is the kit, and it is from Studio 28E. The kit is called Retro Cookbook, and this is my design team project for the month of June. So head on over to Studio 28E's Etsy shop to take a look at this kit and the other kits that Sherry Smear has there. She has some beautiful kits there, and maybe you would want to make a recipe cookbook a recipe or cookbook journal to keep a hold of all of your family recipes to pass down to your family members so they're not lost. I know there was this pie that my grandmother used to make me and my grandfather all the time, and it was called egg custard pie, and she made that for us all the time. And I wish that I had paid more attention on how to make that pie, because after my grandfather passed away, she couldn't make it anymore because that was his favorite pie also, because she would make a pie, and me and my grandfather, when I was a kid, me and him would literally eat the whole pie by ourselves, because she would make about 4 or 5 at a time, because everyone came to her house on Sundays and ate, and of course there was lots of people there. She had 6 kids of her own, and then all of them had family, and then all of her grandkids. So, and then not a lot of them liked the egg custard pie, but everyone knew that me and my grandfather did. So we ate a whole egg custard pie by ourselves all the time. But when she passed away, she couldn't bear to make it anymore. And now that she's passed, I don't know how to make it. I need to look it up and find that recipe and make it for myself, because it's an awesome pie. But anyway, remember to pass on your smiles and stay safe, stay healthy, and make someone smile today. Be encouraging to someone today. If you go to a store or something, tell them when you leave, tell them have a good day, say thank you or something. Just be very positive, be very encouraging today. And go to Studio 28E's Etsy shop. Check out this kit and her other kit she has. And I will come back and we will work on this some together. I will do some videos and we'll work on this journal together online, or we'll do some videos together, and let's get our journal made. So you all have a good day, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.